What up, motherfuckers? I heard what you said about me, Jazz J, calling me out and shit. You know what? You're the pussy, because you don't even know how to watch your fucking blind side, motherfucker. You need to learn some shit, alright? I accept your fucking challenge. You're gonna bring your whole fucking squad, the whole fucking side of the revolution, because you're gonna fucking need them.
JT. See, because I'm in a match with him, right? But he couldn't even afford to show up. I already laid down the lines to partner, right? But I didn't see you there. Now Chaz likes to call everyone else a paper champion, but where are you? Where are you? Basically, I'm gonna stomp you, buddy. I'm just gonna stomp you, buddy. It's JT. It's gonna be me and him in a match. That's not it, though. DMH has the audacity to put himself in the match after he made it clear. After I requested for a one-on-one, he has the audacity to put himself in the match, making it a triple threat. Okay? That's abuse of power. That's why I'm here to stop this, okay? Like, it's crazy, man. I just don't know what to do. Like, I'm here to stop the shit. And it's just not gonna stop unless I eliminate the champion and the boss at the same time. So, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. From this match, I'm gonna win it. I'm gonna take the title. I'm gonna stomp the boss. And I'm gonna stomp. Yeah.